If you have never made up to $200 before from this forex trading platform, then you need to watch this video to the end, because we will be doing some trading analysis right from here so that you will understand how to go about it. And of course, you too will be able to do the same thing just the way I'm going to be showing you in today's video. Okay guys, it is a beautiful morning. Before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or strategies shared in my videos. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. We will be checking out the charts right away, and I will be using the 3M trend maker indicator to do my analysis right from here. If you are not having, then you need to get it. If you're having, then very good. Let's do the analysis together. Okay, this has been an uptrend. This is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame. It's made it very easy for me to do my analysis, because we can easily see when the market is on uptrend and when the market is on downtrend. It also gives us the entry point and the exit point. This has been an uptrend right from this support zone, and of course the yellow flag, even though the market is not that smooth, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. It has gotten to another resistance zone. It got there around here, but it didn't go back into a downtrend. It tried to go back into a downtrend but was unable to do that fully because of this support zone. Went back up to break out above it, and right now it has got into a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but you will have to you will have to check the higher time frame in order for you to know the next resistance zone, so that you can have a proper trading activities. You can see it's just spiked up. Okay, so this is very important. It is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so you may need to check the higher time frame, but if it's unable to break out fully from this resistance zone, then it will start selling. Okay, if it sells, then definitely the next TP should be around A. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, then it should be around here. Okay, you heard that right. Okay, I believe you understand what I explained in this video. If it breaks out from there, then definitely it should be around here. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so the first thing we should take note of is that this has been an uptrend for a very long time. It is around the resistance zone, and in most cases we usually have BIC around the resistance zone, but if it does not happen, we have the BRO happening. So if the BRO happens, then definitely it has broken out from the resistance zone, and of course we will have to check the higher time frame to know the next resistance zone, so that to keep on buying from there. But if it's unable to break out from there, then BIC will happen, and of course it will start selling. Okay, it will start selling, and this is the trend which it will take if it starts selling. Okay, so we need to be sure of all this. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's check out boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500, and of course with boom 500 it started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag came down a bit, and of course went back up again, and of course it is hanging around there at the moment because it's trying to break out from this resistance zone. It will still be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely we expect it to get to somewhere here. Let me see that. Okay, good, somewhere here. Okay, we expect it to get to somewhere here, and if it breaks out above that, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we should hope for more buying opportunity right from here, most especially once it breaks out above this resistance. You can see it's respected it around there, and of course respected it around there, and it is approaching it again. If it's respected, then definitely it will sell. Okay, but if it does not, it will buy till it gets to this region. So this is very important. Now let's move on to crash crash 1000. Okay, so you can see this is how you do your analysis. First of all, you make sure you understand the trend. You can see the indicator makes it very easy for us to identify the trend right from this resistance zone. The CIT is the one that happened. You can see the downtrend, the red flags, and of course all the likes. Okay, it got to the support zone, and of course it broke out below it, and of course it kept on selling, and of course at this moment it has got into a new support zone, and it is still selling. If it breaks out below this support zone, it will keep on selling, but you will have to check out 15 or 30 minute time frame in order for us to know the next support zone. But if it does not break out below that, then definitely it will start buying, and of course it will buy till it gets to this region first. And of course if it breaks out above that, it will want to get to this. If it breaks out above that, it will want to get to this, and if it breaks out above that, guys, it will definitely get to this. That is if it's unable to break out from the support zone. Okay, if it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling, so you should have that at the back of your mind. Okay guys, lastly, let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. It had been on uptrend right from the support zone. You can see it buying and buying, and it has got into this resistance zone, had a pullback and went back there. Okay guys, at the moment it is at this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will start selling. And if it starts selling, then definitely we expect it to get to this region as our first TP, and of course if it breaks out below that, then definitely this should be the next region as the second TP. And if it breaks out below that, then we expect it to get here. If it breaks out below this, then definitely it will get to this region. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. I believe with all these analysis, you will be able to make some reasonable amount of money for yourself, and you will be able to pick up your trades on your own. I will be stopping right here. This is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.